फुडले 6 म्हयने भितर गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेक पूर्ण वेळ सचिव मेळटलो. आल्बर्ट कुलासो संघटनेंतल्यान भायर सरपाचे वाटेर आसा. सध्या GFAन सहाय्यक सचिव नेमपाचो विचार चलयला. सचिव म्हूण ताबो घेवचे पयलीं तात्पुरते सचिवा बरोबर तो सुमार वर्सभर काम करतलो. कार्यकारी समितीच्या वांगड्या कडेनच तें तात्पुरतें सचिवपद दिवपाचें थारता. ही प्रक्रिया मातशी पयलीं कुलास सचिव आसतना करपाची ही गजाल GFAचो अध्यक्ष धेंपो मान्य करता. पूण योग्य उमेदवार मेळना जाल्ल्यान प्रक्रिया लांबणेर पडल्या.
GFAचो अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास धेंपो सध्या GFAचो सचिव नेमपाच्या कामाक लागला. सुत्रां सांगतात ते प्रमाण सचिवाचे पदा खातीर मुलाखती घेतल्यात, मात धेंपो नांवां उघड करपाक तयार ना.
The broad thinking is we haven't selected a candidate yet. The broad thinking is that we will select an assistant general secretary, which we are almost finalized. He's one candidate who has got good exposure, but I can't reveal the name because it has to be formally cleared in the executive committee, which is meeting on the 1st. So a position that will be filled with the assistant general secretary. The whole idea is that he will take over as the secretary within a period of 6 months to a year. And this is within a 6 months to a year. And to sort of guide him and to sort of lead the GFA for that during that time. The broad understanding and the broad thinking is that we should look at somebody internally from the executive committee.
अंतरीम सचिव नेमपाची प्रक्रिया पयली जावंक जाय आशिल्ली ही गजाल प्रुडंटान विचारली तेन्ना श्रीनिवास धेंप्यान मान्य केले.
I completely agree with you. We should have appointed the assistant general secretary at least 3 to 6 months before. But due to lack of a proper candidate, we now have found a candidate who's got serious commitment and working experience in the field of football. I wouldn't say he's got a very long-term experience in administration, but I think his exposure to football with 6 months to a year under a general secretary would give him enough leverage to hold the position.
Okay. Is he somebody from the GFA itself, or is he somebody completely?
No, he is not from the GFA system.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळां खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार प्रज्योत पेडणेकार.
गोंयांत पयलेच फावट 5 पंगडांची बायलां प्रिमियर लीग सर्त जाली. गोंयच्या चलयां खेळगड्यां खातीर ही सर्त नवीच. सर्तीची वुमेन ऑफ द टुर्नामेंट थारिल्ल्या रेशा रावलान हे गजालीची तोखणाय केल्या. अशे सर्तीक लागून चलयो भायर सरतल्यो, पूण खेळ सुदारतलो आनी उंचेलो पावडो गाठतले जाल्यार वर्साक फक्त 2 सर्तींनी कांयच जायना अशें रेशा म्हणटा. सर्वोदया स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान पयली WPL जिखली ते फाटभुंयेर रेशा प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयताले.
GCA for organizing such a wonderful tournament. Okay, it's a nice opportunity for the youngsters to come up, and first time GCA has organized this tournament for the Women's Goa Premier League, and I'm very happy for all the youngsters also. All the youngsters have performed very well, and yeah, performance wise actually not getting much time for practices because of the job and all, but yeah, managed to score and try to win.
Some years back when the GPL had started for men, we had asked Shika and we had asked some senior cricketers even like you, should there be something like this for the ladies, and everybody has said yes, you all wanted something like this. Happy that you all have got it now?
It's a good step for all the women to come forward. Like this only the girls are going to come forward, otherwise only 2 tournaments in a season is not enough for the women to come forward. So yeah, it's a nice opportunity.
In terms of performance, we see the level of women's cricket really needs to improve a lot more. A little bit of an embarrassing no ball here and there. As a senior cricketer now, what are you telling the youngsters?
Yeah, definitely. All the youngsters got to practice very hardly, and GCA is providing such a good infrastructure and all. Even the practicing ground and all, they've given a good infrastructure. So I think all the girls, all the youngsters should come forward and make use of it.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटली. इतल्यान खबरांचें चित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.